I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb stories. Streaming. Before we start, here are some tips. First, watch and listen to the story. During the story, try to guess the phrasal verb meanings from the context. Next, answer the quiz questions after the story. Then, watch and listen to the story again so you can understand how to use the verbs. After the second listen, there are explanations and examples. Finally, leave a comment below and practice. I'm your YouTube teacher. Watching Netflix. Sam loves to watch Netflix after a long day at work. One day, he logged into his account and picked up where he left off in his favorite show. As he got into the episode, he was intrigued by the storyline and couldn't stop watching. In the end, Sam switched off the TV and headed to bed, excited to watch the show tomorrow. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. Sam logged into his account. What does log in mean? Delete, create, access, record. That's right, it's C, access. He picked up where he left off in his favorite show. What does pick up mean? Lift, continue, buy, obtain. That's right, it's B, continue. He picked up where he left off in his favorite show. What does leave off mean? Pause, go out, continue, start. That's right, it's A, pause. As he got into the episode, he was intrigued by the storyline. What does get into mean? Enter, start, become interested, lose interest. That's right, it's C, become interested. In the end, Sam switched off the TV. What does switch off mean? Change shows, turn on, turn off, turn up. That's right, it's C, turn off. Let's apply it. Watch the video again with the definitions. Repeat the story with me to help you memorize. After, you can see more examples and write your own sentences in the comments section. Let's go. Watching Netflix. Sam loves to watch Netflix after a long day at work. One day, he logged into his account and picked up where he left off in his favorite show. As he got into the episode, he was intrigued by the storyline and couldn't stop watching. In the end, Sam switched off the TV and headed to bed, excited to watch the show tomorrow. Examples: I log into my computer every time I open it. I have to go, but let's pick up where we left off tomorrow. She really got into the new book she started reading. At the end of the day, he switches off his computer and leaves the office. Phrasal verb extras. Log in is usually used in the context of accessing an electronic system. Pick up has many other meanings like obtain, buy, or lift. Pick up where you left off is a typical phrase in English that we use very frequently. They often go together. Get into can also mean to enter a place or to start a conflict. Switch off is commonly used to describe turning off an electric device or the lights. Separation. We can separate some phrasal verbs. We have to memorize the verbs we can separate. This is a very difficult skill to learn, and there's no easy way except practice. It's best to repeat what you hear and hope to learn naturally. A great place to practice is the comments section. We can separate, log in, log yourself in, switch off, switch the TV off. We can't separate, pick up, in this context, leave off, get into. Extra examples. These days, you can log yourself in with your digital watch. He usually picks up his book and continues reading where he left off. She really got into the new hobby she started. Before bed, he switches off all the lights in his house. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.